I've traded support and resistance for a couple of hours live and did over $1,000 of profit. How I did this, how I prepare my analysis, and how I find my support and resistance areas, all in all I will show you in this video. If you like it, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I would say, let's go. So guys, it's time here for the first trade. You see, we are here in our support and resistance area. And if I show you, we are like having here our very strong support. Next to this, we see that we have here a lot of resistance moving. And this is why we want to join now here in our next short trade. And as you can see, I'm now here already in a short trade. My take profit and stop loss is already here integrated to my chart. I would say, let's take a look here on our first trade. After this, you'll analyze how we did this trade. So I would say enjoy and see you later. Crazy guys, you see we are now here in our take profit, and only with this trade we made profit around $400. So I would say let's come back here to TradingView and take a look how we did this trade. So guys, back here on TradingView, we want to focus today on support and resistance area, and that's why we made our first trade just on a support and resistance point. And now I want to show you how I start here with my analyze. So we are now here in the 1 hour time frame. And what I do first here is to take a look in the bigger time frame for any support and resistance. So if I focus here, let's see it that we have here a very strong support area. We have this last high, which is my next support here, the area between this. So you see we went in this support area. Now we are again here on a short up movement. Next to this we have also this area. These are the areas where we want to focus on. So what I do here is to make a box here like this and do this here on any significant point which we want to focus. So after this, normally I take out my red lines because they in my eyes don't look that clean here. So now you can see that we have here our boxes. But now you maybe ask yourself, okay, why are these boxes all green? All in all, I take green boxes as a support box and red boxes here as a resistance box. And normally, if we are, for example, now here on this situation, this box, this starting time would be in a red colorway, because you see, we come in this box, went down, come in this box, went down, come in this box, went down, and so on, so on. But at the moment where this box is canceled because the chart is going more up here, this resistance area will directly turn into a support area. So this is why I switched it to a green zone. Next to this, normally this box would be also in red kiss of the last significant high, but it's smashing more to the up here, and this is why it's directly here a support area. So all in all, we have now these 3 support areas, and after we know this, we are switching to the smaller time frame. So we go first of all here to the 5-minute time frame, and here in this area we see some dynamic support and resistance, because if we take a look, for example, and made our trend line here, we see that at the beginning we had, for example, this trend line. So you see this is our resistant trend line, or this was our resistant trend line, and here was our dynamic support line. But you see that on this point normally, so this line was in red, you see that we are smashing more to the up here, and this is why this, for example, dynamic trend line or dynamic support and resistance line has no more meaning for us. If we focus, for example, on the situation right now, we see that we are building here this dynamic resistance, and next to this we also building this dynamic support here. And what is now very important is this now the candle here, because this candle gives us more information about the following situations. So if I'm switching now here to the 1-minute time frame, you see why I use this as a trade, because we have here a very strong resistance area and a very strong support area, and I wanted to focus for this channel because as a scalping trade, you want to make short trades, not longer trades, and this was here a perfect area. And because we went here again in this resistance area, that's why I went here into a short trade. So what we see now here is that we are again in our support area. So I want to make a long trade here on this area. I want to do it for example, this here with a 2-to-1 chance risk factor. And that's why I want to enter right here. So I would say I will open the trade right now, and I'll see you back later, guys. So guys, you see I'm already in the long trade. My stop loss and my take profit is already set. So I would say enjoy the trade, and I'll see you back later, guys. So guys, the trade hits our stop loss, but that's not a problem. It's calculated in trading. Not every trade is like going well. So let's switch back here on TradingView, and here we see why the trade is not working. Because we went in a long trade right here. We wanted that our trade is going up here again to our resistance area, but it's not happening. The trade was there like breaking down here and hit our stop loss. But that's normal. But right now we have to focus for a new trade entry. So guys, I see you back later when I find a new trade here. So guys, we see that it like smashing down here, but we react on this support area here or resistant area before, but right now it's a support area. It switched to a support area. And what we see now here is that the market reacts in this area. This is like a strong short-term bullish signal. And now it's coming down again. And I want to enter now here in a long trade because I think we are now going up. So I would say I want to go in this long trade here with a limit order. My take profit I want to make like here again to my last resistant area, and again I'm going here with a 2-to-1 chance risk factor. So I would say let's go in the trade and see you guys. So guys, we are now here in the trade. Stop loss and take profit is already set, so I would say enjoy and see you back later, guys. So guys, maybe you saw that I did like two special things right now here. First of all, I put my take profit a little bit lower, and yeah, I did this because I think we will definitely come to this point again. Next to this, I already put my stop loss like over my entry, so all in all like 0.5% in profit. If the trade hits our stop loss, we are already in profit. So I would say let's going on here with the trade. Crazy guys, finally we hit our take profit, and with this trade we did around like $1,000 of profit. So all in all, a very good trade. Yeah guys, that's it for today's live trading. We traded the whole session and like only focused for support and resistance, and all in all we did like over $1,000 of profit. All in all, I think it was a very great session for live trading. If you enjoy, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I would say goodbye.